Gotta do some more sheet metal work. But welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about a myth that everybody has. Said you can't weld carbon to aluminum, but it can be done to an extent. You know, maybe something that's not going to have any pressure on it, but it's still welded and it can be done. So what we're going to start off with, I'm going to show you that it cannot be done just with carbon to aluminum, and I'll show you why. It just won't work. Because obviously you can't weld steel at all with AC-DC balance and all that. So I'm just going to show you what this does. Whoa, I've got it on AC. That ain't going to work. Let me turn that back off. Try it straight polarity right here. Now, it's welded right here. I mean, it is welded standing there, but it don't take much to get rid of it. So, yeah, that's not going to work. This is how you're supposed to do it. And a lot of people's going to probably call me out on this, but, you know, it works. So, I've got a piece of silicon bronze here. That's what we're going to start with. I'm actually going to weld the whole thing with it, so why not? We're just going to run a little bead here. Got a little pad. The pad don't look good, but this ain't supposed to look good. So what we're gonna do here, go ahead and get our carbon, set it on top, swap our machine back over out of the aluminum, or out of the aluminum settings. Since we got that pad here with silicon bronze, we're just gonna go straight into, I'm gonna swap my tungsten around. It's kind of balled up. So here we go. I'll show you. It can be done. You gotta be sure to stay on that pad, or else it ain't gonna. It'll try to get into that aluminum, and it won't really do much. I got out of it a little bit, so. Yeah. It's worked good for something if you got, you know, you want to do some kind of cool little ornamental deal, and you want to try to incorporate some aluminum in it. Like I said, it ain't gonna. I wouldn't weld no car with this, but you know it works pretty good. I mean it's a myth bust. So there y'all go, short, sweet, to the point. But anyway, just something little I wanted to do, show y'all. A lot of people don't think it'd be done, but there it is. Anyway, y'all be sure to like, share, subscribe, and let me know if y'all something else y'all want to see. Maybe we can bust another myth. Y'all have a good one.